Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my course, Building Secure Services and Applications. I'm a Microsoft MVP and freelance solution architect, currently focused on security and building APIs. In this course, we're going to learn how Azure can help with creating secure environments, automating them, securing applications, and containerizing them. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Docker and the Azure Kubernetes service, automating your environments with the Azure Resource Manager templates, using and orchestrating microservices, and securing applications with Azure Active Directory and Azure Active Directory B2C. By the end of this course, you'll know all about building secure services and applications on Azure. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with ASP.NET Core, C# and have some basic Azure knowledge. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to secure your services and applications on Azure with the Building Secure Services and Applications course here at Pluralsight.